Welcome to another amateur car video. Today I'm working on my 2008 Volkswagen GTI. It has a 2.0 FSI turbo engine with a 6-speed manual transmission. I drive this thing very spiritedly, you can say. So there's a lot of slop in the engine, or wheel hop when I'm launching off the line and stuff. So I ordered a polyurethane transmission mount insert that comes with the hardware and all that other good stuff. This transmission mount insert is supposed to help with wheel hop and help give you smoother shifts, supposedly, because the stock rubber mounts that are in here flex a lot. So here is the mount, and then it goes through into the subframe, and here is where the insert's gonna go. I can move this by hand with my thumb. That's how soft this is. So hopefully this insert helps out a lot. After loosening the bolt with the torque wrench, since I couldn't find my breaker bar, I went ahead and ran the bolt out with the impact gun. Then, using the grease out of a grease gun that I found in the middle of the street, I was able to lubricate the insert to help it slide it in easier. That is, until it didn't want to cooperate. Fuck you! Once verbal abuse didn't work, it was time to switch it over to physical abuse. Mini Sledgehammer did just the trick. Once the insert is flush with the cross member, go ahead and insert the small washer into the center of the insert. After applying a generous amount of blue Loctite to the bolt, grab your large flat washer, insert the bolt through it, and hand thread it into the mount. After that, I ran it down with the impact until I got one UGA. Then grab your torque wrench and torque to 74 foot-pounds. Next, you need to add an extra 90-degree turn to the bolt to do the final torque. So there you have it, the Dogbone insert, or transmission mount insert, whatever you want to call it, is installed. If I had all my tools ready, or if I knew exactly what tools I needed, this probably would have taken 10 minutes. It was very straightforward and simple. Quick list of tools I used, so that way you know exactly what you need, is a 21mm socket, 22mm socket, an impact gun, or a giant wrench. You need a torque wrench, some grease, and Loctite. And that's it. So now it's time to go for a test drive. So I've been driving this thing around now, warming it up for about 10 minutes. And right off the bat, I've already noticed that it feels not as sloppy. The shifting in between gears, when I let out the clutch, it puts the power down to the ground immediately. There's no like delay. Before it would take us, it was like, you know, it wasn't a lot, but there was a delay. Now the delay is gone. It puts it down to the ground now, and it feels faster. It's weird, but I'm just gonna do some launches on this little back road by the freeway. See how it goes. Way better. Before it would wheel hop the entire time. Now it didn't wheel hop till about almost 5,000 RPM. All right, thanks for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one.